For today, let me teach you on how to private your account in your Instagram. So in order to do that, make sure you already installed your Instagram account in your Android device. So if you don't have Instagram installed in your Android device, you can install it in Google Play Store. Now, if you already have your Instagram, you just click the Instagram application, and then you will be from to your home page of your Instagram, and then just simply go to the right corner, the down portion of your Instagram page, click your profile, and then click the three lines on the top right corner, and then go to settings and privacy, and then kindly go to account privacy. Click this, and then when your account is public, be sure your profile and post can be seen by anyone on or off Instagram, even if they don't have the Instagram account. Now, when your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages, and your followers and following list. So this is now the way on how to private your account. Just turn it on, and then so want to review your followers, you can make changes to who can see your voice and stories. So just review followers, and then after that, you can remove any followers that you want if you don't want them to see your Instagram posts. So you can remove it. Okay, and that's it. So your account now is already private.